Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Vortex bands. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Vortex bands. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 43 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 494 indicators, with 206 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Vortex bands, and you can see them here on screen. And so the setup on this is when we get a cross of the blue band above the orange band, then we are going to go long. When we get a cross of the blue band below the orange band, then we are going to go short. So pretty simple setup. There's not much to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a long right here on this one. You can see that price action takes off really nicely to the upside there. That gets us definitely to the take profit. Then over here on this side, we pick up a short as the blue band crosses down below the orange. And once again, price action drops down really nice there, getting us to take profit as well. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so over here we pick up a long signal and we're able to squeeze out take profit there right before we get this dip to the downside, then the push back to the upside there. Now, interesting enough, if we were to play with our stops and take profits a little bit, then even if we weren't quite able to hit take profit here, you can see that we got a little bit of a pullback, then it did push to the upside really nicely. Now over here we pick up a short, and unfortunately we were not quite as lucky on this one, as we get a really long wick on the very next candle to the upside, and that one actually comes up and barely hits the stop. You saw me zoom in real tight there and measure it out a few times just to make sure. But if we had not of hit that stop there, again, if our take profit and stops were adjusted a little bit, then we would have definitely hit take profit on this one right here as well, and maybe continue down even further. It's yet to be seen on that one yet. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get any longer, and we will pick them. We will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts, where they mark out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we've recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet as well. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all those indicators, showing you exactly which indicators were winners, which ones are losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual videos and those strategies. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and they have built a full suite of optimized profitable indicators that they're giving away for free to all the patrons. And they're actually working on turning those into trading bots as well in the very near future. And once they have that all worked out, they'll be offering those to the patrons as well. And so there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's get back to our indicator here. Everything focused in there. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we got. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So we have 18 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. Things were looking really good in the beginning, just based on the first few trades that we had taken there. I thought this one might have the ability to do good things, but then unfortunately it unraveled very quickly. Started taking a lot of unnecessary losing trades, losing signals, and so that really ate away at its win rate quite significantly. So this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.